What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tommy Kentner here. If you're dropping in for the first time, today we're doing kind of a mixed unboxing of a battery relocation kit, and we're switching to a small battery. So just wanted to walk y'all guys through this. But this is the Odyssey Extreme series of lightweight battery, and then here's some other pieces to it. Just a kit we kind of pieced together. We'll put links in the description to get to this stuff, but this is just going to be the cable to move it to the trunk. And then here's some more hardware that came with the battery, and like I said, we'll have links in the description. And then we also got a battery box. Battery tie down by AMS. So this is the bottom tray. So when you put it together, it'll set like that. Let's go in it, and then you screw your mounts down to hold it in place, and you mount the bottom tray in the car so it don't move around. And guys, we'll have a video out on this, installing this soon, and we'll go from there. And if you have any questions on something that we didn't cover in the video, drop a comment below, and we'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and go to subscribe to Form Driven Media's YouTube channel and his Instagram too. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.